We'll guide you through how to change the user account name on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you want to go and change it, perhaps you prefer to go by a shorter name, or there's another reason why you want to go and change it, perhaps there's a mistake in it, it doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can go and be done. Make sure it's this full guide as we're covering important steps throughout it, and it's important to note there are different ways you need to go and do this depending upon how the account's been set up. We're going to explain everything you need to know, do not worry. So to go and get started with this, come to the bottom of your computer and you need to go and find the Windows Start button and you need to go and click there. This will open up and you want to go and open up the settings. If you can't see it pinned, you can search for it at the top. Now when this loads, you want to look in the top left. Either yours is going to go and say local account like mine, or it will go and give you your email, your Microsoft account email. So depending upon how that is, that's going to go and change how we go and change it. So if it's with a Microsoft account name, we'll cover that later in the video, changing that. If it's a local account, this is a little bit easier. So what you can do is you can go and close out of this like so. And then what you need to do is head down to the bottom and you can go and find the search. And you want to go and type in control panel like so and open this up. In here, you want to go and find the option for user accounts. And then at the top, you can go and press user accounts like so. Now you'll go and see it here. So make sure this is the correct one and you can go and press change your account name. You'll be brought here. So now what we can do is go and type in a new account name. So at the moment it's set to Tucker. I could go and change it to Rob Tucker, for example. And you'll go and see this name will appear on the welcome screen and on the start screen. So you can then press change name and it's now changed. So now we can come and close out of this. And if I go and press the Windows Start button at the bottom, you'll go and see that it still says Tucker. So what you'll then need to do is go and press sign out and you can sign back in and then it'll go and be updated and the name you change it to will then be there. So in my case, it'd go and say Rob Tucker. Now, if we go and press the start button again and go and press settings, if you find that yours has got the email here, meaning you're using a Microsoft account, what we need to do to go and change this is we need to go and head into a web browser. So I'll go and open up Chrome. You can go and use whatever you want though, it doesn't matter. And then what you need to do is go and type in Microsoft like so and come to Microsoft.com. Head to the top right and you'll need to go and press sign in. Now you need to go and sign into the Microsoft account that you use in Windows. So I can go and click here and I can go and select this. Then I can go and sign in using my PIN. I think it's set as a passkey, which makes it really easy. And I can then go and sign in. So I've now gone and signed in. You can go and see my account name in the top right. And what you need to do is go and click on it. And you need to go and press my Microsoft account. Wait for this to go and load. It shouldn't go and take too long. And it's going to take you straight to your account settings, by the way. As you can see, here we are. I'll go and zoom in, just make it a little bit easier for you. I've got a pending action here. I'll go and just close this for now. I can add my number later. And then what you can do is come over to the left and find the option for your info and wait for it to load. And then what you need to do is come down to full name. So this name is going to be the name that's displayed on your Microsoft account. And so we can go and change it. So for example, I may want to go and change this to Robert Tucker or, a different, I want to add a middle name, remove a middle name. It doesn't matter. We can customize this to our liking. So you can press edit name to the right. And then what I could do is go and change this to Robert Tucker, for example. Then I can go and press save. So changing this name, we'll go and change it across your different Microsoft products, wherever else you go and use it. And Outlook as well. So we've now gone and changed that. And so now that we've changed it here, it's going to go and be updated in Windows. To go and make sure that it is, what you can do is go and sign out of your account. You can press the start button, click here and go and press sign out. If you still find that it isn't, what you may need to do is go and restart your computer. So you can press the Windows button at the bottom, start, and then press the power button to the right. Then you can press restart. When it comes back on, hopefully it's then reflected. If it still isn't, what you may need to do is press the Windows Start button at the bottom, open up your settings, and you can come to the left and you want to go and find accounts. And then what you can do is you can go down and you want to find the option for your info and click in here. Now at the moment in account settings, because I have a local account, it says sign in with a Microsoft account instead. For you, if you're using Microsoft account currently, it'll go and say sign with a local account instead. So what you can do is go and click there. You'll have to go through the process of making a local account. Don't worry, it's really quick and easy. And then what you can do is you can go and have the local account, you have to sign out, and then you can sign back in with the local account. Come back here, accounts, and then your info, and you can press sign with a Microsoft account instead. Then you can go and sign in with your account, and it should go and refresh things because you're then going and signing in again. And so then it should go and have the updated name. If you don't want to be using your first and last name, which are on your Microsoft account, then what you can consider doing is just leaving your computer account as a local account. Because then what you can do is you can go and when setting up the local account, first of all, you can choose a name which is going to go and be there. Or alternatively, if you go and set up the local account, you can still go and change it by following the first method in this video, where you go and open up the control panel and you can go to user accounts and change it there. So that's why I personally like using a local account, just so I can go and have the names what I want. And there are a few other things as well, but I do understand in some cases you do like using a Microsoft account as it does have other benefits for keeping things synced, etc. So that's it. Hopefully that helped this video. You've managed to go and change your name in Windows 11. As I said, there's lots of different reasons why, and it is a bit of a long video just because I wanted to cover doing it if you're a local account or a Microsoft account, as I don't want anybody to be left out. But it's that simple. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We post videos like this every single day, so I'm sure you're going to find another one helpful. So that's a good reason to go and stay subscribed. But also there's loads on the channel covering such a wide range of topics, from Windows to games to iPhones to Android. We cover it all. So I look forward to help you again, and I look forward to catch you in the next how-to. Have a great day and goodbye for now.